What is good, YouTube? We are back again with another video on the OEM Plus YouTube channel. If you're new here, please stay tuned. I want you to watch the video first. Like, comment, do all that stuff later. I want you to enjoy the video. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the mods. Today we're going to be working on the G80 M3. Again, this is going to be a pretty extensive series as I have a lot of mods sitting in my garage boxed up right now. So over the next few weeks, you guys will be seeing each individual mod go on, and yeah, hopefully still got some more stuff coming in, but hopefully, you know, you guys see the transformation and you like it and enjoy it and you think it's cool and inspiring and all that shit, and everybody's happy. And yeah, so yeah, today, as you can see from the title of the video, I am on my third front lip for this car. I've had this car for a little over a year, and yeah, already went through 3 front lips, and today is going to be my third, hopefully my final. I will be unboxing it, installing it, and letting you guys know my initial impressions. So first and foremost, definitely want to shout out RW Carbon for the products. I do have some more stuff coming from them, but today we're just going to do the front lip. So I put the link down in the description. I put my link down in the description. So you use that link. It's going to be affiliated to me, and you buy all your carbon fiber stuff and I get a cut, and that's just everybody's cool. So your car looks better. I'm more paid, and I can buy more parts because that's all I'm using this channel for, is to buy car stuff. So yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Should be pretty easy. It is extremely hot here in Florida, 90 something degrees with all the humidity in the world, but we're gonna make it do what it do, and hopefully this thing turns out pretty legit. Again, this is my third carbon fiber lip. Reason why, so I'll give you the rundown real quick. So I had the souvenir carbon fiber lip, was the first one I had. That just goes underneath the front, and that one, you know, was good, but I actually really liked it, but I wanted something to replace the corner black pieces as well. So I went with the CSL style lip, which you guys have a video for that one. You guys can check out that install. I like the look of it, but I didn't like that it was 3 pieces, because I have a problem with, like, you know, gaps and seams and stuff not lining up. Like, it's just the ADHD in me. It just doesn't. Well, I know it's ADHD. It's attention to detail in me does not let me live comfortably seeing gaps and things not lining up. So I wanted to go with the 1-piece lip that also covers the quarter pieces as well. So replaces the full bottom front lip area. So yeah, I went with the RW Carbon DTM style lip, I believe. And it looked good online, so we'll see how it's going to look on the car. And hopefully the install is easy, simple, and, you know, line straight up. So without further ado, let's get to it and let's go. Alright, so this is the problem that I have. Too many damn cars. So I gotta squeeze in here to get to this thing. Get this lip. Looks horrible without the lip. Alright, lip is installed. Actually bolted up really good. Some of the other lips, you know, I gotta like trim out the holes a lot for the bolts, but even with the aluminum skid plate, which is a little bit more rigid, not much more flex, it fit pretty good. So remember, when you put lips and everything on, the skid plate goes underneath the bumper and the lip, and then the bolt goes through the lip, bumper, and into the skid plate. So nice, secure. Let's do a quick walk around so you see the flushness of it. Tighten that just a little bit, close this gap. I just gotta tighten this bolt here, but flush there. Oh yeah. Alright, so that's going to be it for today's video. Pretty simple, pretty sweet. Shout out to RW Carbon for the front lip and some other pieces that I got coming in the next few videos. Fitment is 10 out of 10. It fits perfect. You know, one piece lip. I mean, it just slides right in there, and then, you know, you just line up the bolts and easy work. So fitment is 10 out of 10. Quality, 10 out of 10. It feels very sturdy, nice finish, even to the touch. Does, you know, feel like they, you know, they put a lot of time in, you know, whoever they use to manufacture their carbon. It's very good, very high quality. So what else? Looks, I think it looks great. I love the little slits there that go between the lip and the bumper, because they actually line up with the inlet vents as well. So that looks pretty solid. Yeah, I'm excited. I like this look a lot, so I think I'm gonna be sticking with this lip for a very long time. So I say, but looks good. Doesn't, you know, hang down too low, so it should be good over bumps and whatnot. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know what you think, you know, the front end. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Again, you know, if you have something OEM, gotta put a plus on it, fellas. We out.